Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hey buddy, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing some free sales training courses that are offered by LinkedIn Learning. The courses which we are going to see in this video are already available for free, so you don't need to use your free month trial or you don't need to pay for any course. Everything is available for you for absolutely free. So before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media networks like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. Now let's see the courses. So the first one is prepare yourself for a career in sales. And the instructor for this course is Mr. Dean Carroll, who's an expert in executive coaching, career mentoring, and sales training. And the duration of this course is around 1 hour, and this is a beginner level course. And on the left side, you can see here the contents of this course, like what you'll be learning. So you have 4 chapters: developing yourself, practical skills, building relationships, ongoing development. And here you can see the skills that will be covered in this course: sales training and sales effectiveness. And once you complete the course, you can click on show all near certificates. And for this course, you have LinkedIn Learning certificate, and this download button will become available once you complete the course. You can click on it and download your certificate for this particular course. So this is the first one: prepare yourself for a career in sales. Next one is Sales Foundations course, and in this course you'll be having 4 chapters: understanding sales, the customer comes first, power of your solution, power of your process. And the instructor for this course is Mr. Jeff Bloomfield, who is the sales and leadership coach. And the duration of this course is 55 minutes, and this is also a beginner level course. And the skills covered in this course are sales. So basically in all these courses you'll be learning about sales training. And the certificate procedure is same for all the courses. And once you complete the course, you can click on show all your certificates and download your certificate for the particular course. Next one is asking great sales questions, and this course is provided by again Mr. Jeff Bloomfield. And the duration of this course is 50 minutes, and this is an intermediate level course. And in this course you'll be learning about negotiation as well as sales. And here are 5 chapters for this course. Click on show all new certificates and download your certificate for this course once you complete it. Next one is soft skills for sales professionals. You have 4 chapters in this course, and the instructor for this course is Meredith Powell, who is an author, keynote speaker, and business strategist. And the duration for this course is 1 hour 6 minutes, and this is a general course, anyone can take it. And the skills covered in this course are emotional intelligence, soft skills, and sales effectiveness. And once you complete it, you can click on show all new certificates and download your certificate for this one. Next course is handling objections, and the instructor for this course is Mr. Dean Carroll. You have just 3 chapters for this course. This is a short 40-minute course, and it is an intermediate level 1, and the skills covered are sales. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is sales negotiation course, and the instructor for this course is Lisa Early McLeod. And the duration of this course is around 1 hour, and this is an intermediate level course. And here are the learning objectives, and the skills covered are communication, small business management, and situational sales negotiation. Once you complete the course, click on show all new certificates. So you have 2 certificates for this course. One is LinkedIn Learning certificate, and the other one is NASBA certificate, that is National Association of State Boards of Accountancy. For LinkedIn Learning certificate, you don't need to take any exam. It's absolutely free. Once you complete the content, this download button will become available. You can download the certificate. But for NASBA, you have to take the exam and pass the exam with at least 70% score to get your certificate. So this is for this course. You have 2 certificates. Let's move on to the next course. Next one is sales closing strategies. The instructor for this course is Dean Carroll again, and you have 3 chapters for this course. It's a short 38-minute course, but it is a advanced level 1, and the skills covered are sales process, sales strategy, and deal closure. And once you complete the course, you can click on show all new certificates and download your certificate for this course. Let's move on to the last one now, selling with stories. And the instructor for this course is Paul A. Smith, and this course is 1 hour 29 minutes long, that is around 1.5 hours, and it is an intermediate level course. And the skills covered are storytelling, sales strategy, and sales effectiveness. you have 7 different chapters for this course. Once you complete the course, click on show all new certificates and download your LinkedIn Learning certificate for this particular course. So this is the last one. We have seen around 8 courses, starting with prepare yourself for a career in sales, and then you had sales foundations, asking great sales questions, soft skills for sales professionals, sales handling, objections, and negotiation course, and then we had closing strategies course, and lastly we had selling with stories. So these are the 8 courses that are available for free to learn sales in LinkedIn Learning. So make use of these courses to become a professional sales representative. I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media networks like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.